Hello everyone, welcome back to Online Help Guide. Are you keen to know who viewed your profile? Well, don't worry. TikTok has now introduced a new feature where you can see who viewed your profile. So I'm going to show you how to check who viewed your TikTok account. So watch this video till the end. First, open up your TikTok app. Then tap on Profile that is on the bottom right corner of your screen. Then tap on small circle icon that is on the top right corner of your screen next to hamburger menu drawer. So that is how you check who viewed your TikTok account. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon on our channel so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.